Hello, friends, and welcome back. Today I'm going to be doing the kit reveal for the December 2019 Club La La Land Crafts Club kit. And this month's theme is awareness and encouragement. So when your package arrives, it's going to come in this super cute gold foiled package. And I love it when this thing comes in the mail. I get so excited. So I'm going to go ahead and open it up and show you what comes in your kit this month. And it always comes with the thank you for subscribing, which is a nice thick piece of cardstock, which is kind of shiny so that your red rubber stamps stick right to it. Pull everything out. And as always, you get two great big red rubber stamp sets, which are absolutely gorgeous. They stamp beautifully. We have Courage Marci, and then I'm Here for You, which is the bears. And I'm going to go ahead and stamp these for you so that you can see them up close. Got some really nice sentiments in them. And I'm going to take an A2 card panel here, A2 size card panel, and I'm going to go ahead and ink this up for you. I'm going to stamp it a couple times because my ink pad is running a little bit low. Need to replace it. I love this stamp set. It is really, really, really cute and super fun to color. So we'll take a close look at this one's Courage Marci, Fight Like a Girl, and then the definition of courage there on the side. And next we're going to do I'm Here for You, which is the bears. And these are pandas, but you can color them any way you want. I used all kinds of different colors, browns and grays, and then of course I did the pandas, but they're really fun to color. So this one has sentiments like, hey, tough stuff, I'm here for you, I'm in your corner, you're stronger than you know. And I'm going to use those. I'm actually going to use them all, but I'm going to use those, and I'm going to make a magnet with the little bears because I just love them. So let's take culture dies. So this one is called Stitched Fight, and it's nice and big. Look at that. It takes up like the whole bottom side of your card, which is absolutely gorgeous. Then you've got the stitched, this is the awareness ribbon, and it's stitched all the way around. And then you have the hope heart, and then that little hope placard inside, you can cut that out so that you can use it separately, or you could leave it in and have it as a part of your heart die there. So let's go ahead and get started making a card. So I have an A2 size card base, and then I've got some, this is pretty thin paper from my stash, and I wanted it to be thin. Really, it's no thicker than like printer paper because I'm going to be using the hope heart, and I'm going to be cutting through all three layers at the same time. So I didn't want to put too many thick pieces of paper here. Trying to make it a little bit easier on myself. Plus, I think this paper is really cute. I love the pink and purple. So I'm going to go ahead and layer these up, and then I'm going to place my hope heart kind of a little off, kind of tilt it a little bit, secure it down with some washi tape, and then I'm going to sandwich it and run it through my machine, all the three layers together. And these dies are great. I didn't have any trouble at all taking these apart. It was super easy to just pop that right out. And now what I'm going to do is I want to inlay the hearts back in to where I cut it out. So I'm going to put a little piece of acetate on the back, which I will cover up later on and make it all pretty on the inside as well. But now we're just going to layer up three hearts together, and then I'm going to inlay them back right into where they popped out of. And then on the inside, I'm going to place my sentiment and my little bear there with the gloves on. And he's going to go right inside of the heart. So you can see him from the outside, and then when you open it up, he'll be right above the sentiment. And I did end up changing out the sentiment because we get our kits much earlier than you guys do. So if there's any issues with them, any problems with them, we're trying them out, we're making projects, we can have it fixed long before it gets to you. So we noticed, somebody on the team noticed that there was a typo in the courage sentiment. So I'm going to change that out just so that when I give this card, the person that I give it to isn't going to see the typo part, but yours will be fine. Yours, we figure out anything that's wrong long before you get it. So if you're noticing that there's a typo there, we already saw it, and you will not have the same that we have. So I'm just lining up my little bear so that you can see him really well from the other side of the card. I'm using glue so I can slide him down to where he needs to go. And then I'm going to put the other pink heart on the inside, and I'm also going to put white paper on the inside. So that way it covers up the ugly tape behind the acetate on the inside cover so you can't see it. Now I'm going to take the stitched fight and I cut it out from some nice gray cardstock and also from this pink fun foam. I'm just going to layer them on top of each other and then place that at the bottom of my card. And then I felt like my card needed a little more sparkle and shine. It felt like it was a little too plain for me. So I'm looking at it now, trying to figure out what more I want to do to it to make it a little more sparkly. So what I did was I went and got so that's Rose Platinum, and it's a mirrored card, and that's one of those Craft Perfect specialty card stocks. And I cut that out, the whole part from that, and I'm just going to cover it right over the top. And that's going to give it that nice shine that I wanted on the front of my card. And I've also got these deco dots, which are sparkly and pink, and I think those go really well on the front, and I'm going to place those. And then I did change out that sentiment on the inside. Put my little deco dots. And when I show you the finished products at the end, you'll see that the inside is nice and neat with the inner piece. At this point I still hadn't put it, and I forgot to video me actually putting it on there, but basically all you have to do is turn you're going to do it backwards. So that way, I don't know how to explain it, but you'll basically be doing the back side of whatever you've cut out and then placing it on the inside. So here's a close-up of that that card. And there it is on the inside, all clean and neat. These bears are so stinking cute. And then this is the card that's for the subscriber project, and that's in your Dropbox files for the subscribers. And this one was really fun to make, and what I ended up doing was making this adorable little magnet right here with these two guys. Aren't they just so cute? So this is for you to give to your friend or loved one. They can put it on the refrigerator. Gives them a little reminder that you're always there and that they're stronger than they know. And that's it. So thank you guys so much for stopping by. I really do appreciate it. I hope you guys really love this kit as much as we do, and that you get some good ideas from the design team. And I will see you again later on with more from the December Club La La Land kit. Have a great day. Bye-bye.